Yeah. Yeah. Took me 10 years to talk like this. Yeah. Put a billboard in my city, yeah, I do it for the stunt. Riding Bentleys in your city, yeah, I do it for the stunt. I might fly your girl out with me, yeah, I do it for the stunt. I might go and blow like 50, yeah, I do it for the stunt. Yeah, I do it for the sun, yeah, I do it for the sun. Yeah, I do it for the sun, I just do it for the sun. Yeah, I do it for the sun, yeah, I do it for the sun. I just do it for the sun. Broke a year ago, I worked for this. Dropped 11 albums, they all flop, but I learned from it. I don't go to church, but still I hope I reach the masses. Even though it took you years to make, I pay a monthly tax. They used to say I brag too much. They used to say I sing too much. They used to say I rap too much. Now it's 10K just to drink too much. Now I got 10s in a hotel suite. When I show up, that's the first time we meet. Now the highlight of your week is an Instagram video in the club with a bunch of broke people. Put a billboard in my city, yeah, I do it for the stunt. Riding Bentleys in your city, yeah, I do it for the stunt. I might fly your girl out with me, yeah, I do it for the stunt. I might go and blow like 50, yeah, I do it for the stunt. Yeah, I do it for the sun, yeah, I do it for the sun. Yeah, I do it for the sun, I just do it for the sun. Yeah, I do it for the sun, yeah, I do it for the sun. I just do it for the sun. Too busy eating my own fruit to check if yours is sweeter. Too busy watering my grass to check if yours is greener. I need a celebration, celebrating hella patience. I was down but now I'm up, I'm celebrating elevation. Exes hate but I know it's love. Everyone late on the train but us. Still enemies, so still my name, we still keep it real as fuck. Plus, I'm on sub, yeah, it's been like that. Went on tour, then I went right back. Millionaire, new defaults, and I keep on betting on good. Billboard in my city, yeah, I do it for the stunt. Riding Bentleys in your city, yeah, I do it for the stunt. I might fly your girl out with me, yeah, I do it for the stunt. I might go and blow like 50, yeah, I do it for the stunt. Yeah, I do it for the sun, yeah, I do it for the sun. Yeah, I do it for the sun, I just do it for the sun. Yeah, I do it for the sun, yeah, I do it for the sun. I just do it for the sun. Some tea, I think I drank too much. I've been mixing with it too. Couple women coming through, they gon' wanna tee up with me too. Bitch, I'm tea, I think I drank 3 much. I've been mixing with it too. Couple women coming through, they gon' wanna tee up with me too. Yeah, Tangeray got me started. Think I need a girl from Harlem. Don't act like you don't wanna get involved with me. TLC got girls tryna creep. Don't catch feelings and ain't that deep. Thrown in the studio, gone fishing. Tryna catch me a freak. Damn, need 2 rooms every time I land. One for the hoes, 1 room for the bands. She fell in love cause of who I am. I don't give a fuck, gotta stick to the plan. No strings, girl, gotta cut those loose. You and your friend, that's 1 + 2. You'll be waiting here all night, waiting for me to love you. Bitch, I'm teed up. I think I drank 3 much. I've been mixing with it too. Couple women coming through, they gon' wanna tee up with me too. Bitch, I'm teed up. I think I drank 3 much. I've been mixing with it too. Couple women coming through, they gon' wanna tee up with me too. I've been teed up, that's a routine. Never switched up with a new team. I've been spending, I've been stacking. I still got the same old hoopty. I've been helping out the fam. I'm just trying to do my best. Feel the pressure every day. Got to get this off my chest. Always have faith that will go my way. I've been teed up for like 6 years straight. I know what it's like to do a show with less people in the crowd than the ones on stage. Yeah, Boogas and me never switched up. Always got me, we can twist up. Never let an outsider in too quick. like I made it. Making deposits off of being a prophet, turning visions into riches, way too big for my pockets. Baby girl, I'm a star. I suggest you acknowledge while you were scaling out your pride. I was weighing my options like ain't no room in my pictures for bitches. I end up cropping. I've been moving and flipping and living life like I'm popping. I'm the young y'all owner, bitch, and I'm not sober. Yeah, they had me on probation, but I'll be done in October. Come on. You don't have to love me, love me. But you gon' have to fuck with me, fuck with me. You don't have to love me, love me. But you gon' have to fuck with me, fuck with me. Young God when I ride up, not too many that can fuck with me. Never hung up on the bullshit. I can't afford that type of luxury. How'd I get so faded? How'd I get so faded? I'm out to do a show in Paris, so I'm feeling like I made it. Society trying to reduce me to simplicity, but they know that I'm designed by the divinity. Not wrapped up in your rules, I'm intertwined with the infinity. Baby, close your eyes, you'll realize that you're feeling me. Sip G-I-N, flip these problems, flip these hoes into 16s I share. How'd I get so faded? How'd I get so faded?
Vamos a hacer algo, señoritas.
You gon' have to fuck with me, fuck with me. You don't have to love me, love me. You gon' have to fuck with me, fuck with me.
Señorita, por favor, preséntese usted. Su carta de presentación es su pasarela por aquí. Hágala que usted guste su carta de presentación. Ay, gordo, miren que más gente lo que arriba, mendigos.
No hay tiempo para perder.
Ay, gordo. Escuchen el acento que tiene, se lo voy a dar, para que escuchen su voz de esta chica. Preséntate y dime de dónde eres.
Ok, yo soy de Caracas, Venezuela, me radico en Tijuana y me llamo Rebeca.
Owe me some just to get me right. Pour me some just to get me right. Run around the country like a boss do. Flying around the world like a diplomat. Told that bitch shoulda treat me right. Hollywood Hills, yeah, I seen these heights. Run around the country like a boss do. Flying around the world like a diplomat. I could probably catch you with your knees down. Have you looking at me like you knew it? Getting way too caught up in these towns. Tell me that you're not that stupid. Tell me that you're not that stupid. Tell me that you're not that stupid.
No hay de rojo, güey. Pinches daltónicos, lo que sea. Cabrón, la de rojo, pues para pinche rojo, güey. Ah, te veo rojo. Oye, chavalita, ¿cuántas son quieres bailar? Tú dime. Algo bonito.
On my phone, next to my mom. My cabin on the phone, so it's time to put on. Gotta pull up on them at the D-Mall, but I weigh the ups and down like a seesaw.
Live at the trap, nigga, you only come get it, I got it. Live at the trap, nigga, you only come get it, I got it.
Participante número 4. Ay, cabrón. Participante número 5.
To the DR, the compound in the stash, duffel bags, overnight clothes for these overnight shows back in Atlanta, fucking with overnight.
Mientras se toca el sistema de fumada natural, esa es la vida de mi Tijuana, la verga.
Ya nos vamos. Motorfest acá en Rosarito 2018. Se acabó. Nos vamos. Estamos en Rosarito.
todo lo que nos queda bien, en tu canto, con detallito, ocupamos cartón, así que poner play. Tenemos la corona verde, mandamos haciendo los pasos y nos queda bien, sonará en tu canto, como detallito, ocupamos cartón, así que poner play. Es una de tantas, dime de qué te espantas, fumando de la planta más fina, tenemos
Daniel Struga, aquí estuvo en Rosarito, puto. Daniel Struga, ¿qué hay?
Como dice María, todo el día con 12, el que me conoce reconoce, salí de la
Daniel Struga,
12 de
su madre a
que me estoy secando, soy del mismo mundo.
Pepes, hot dog or a burger? Burger. ¿Quién va a estar en el evento hoy?
Tito que es Weedson, y los estelares, los hijos de la calle. y los hijos de la calle.
¿Ese es el evento principal?
Sí, creo que viene también, va a venir el Lírico One, Invasión Nocturna y un chingo de madre con el Top Chip Trail.
Ah, huevo.
Un pesado de acá, de Tijuana, pelón, malando, chorotes, locotes con uno.
Cerquita.
Camarógrafo, tú eres del bueno, vamos a ver. ¿Cómo te con ese?
Esta funciona igual que la GoPro.
¿Que le pongan? ¿Te voy a avisar a que le pongan?
Sí, por favor.
¿Esta mayonesa?
Sí, por favor.
¿Mostaza?
Sí, con todo.
¿Está grabando,
Algo bien.
¿Cómo se llama aquí? Pepes, ¿verdad? ¿Pepes?
Pepe. No, Pepe.